Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about the 4 problems that I have with the Mondeo MK3. It's still very fun to drive, but of course, as it's an old car, I got some issues. And let's start with the first one. The first one is here. Seat height adjustment. As you can hear the sound, the height doesn't move a bit and it makes this noise, and I think something is broken in the mechanism, but I don't know how to solve it or even if it is possible. Okay, and number 2 is here, the lumbar adjustment. I was driving steady one day in traffic, and normally I like to use the lumbar support very very high, and then suddenly, bam, I hear this sound and it goes away. Now I cannot control because it disappeared. Also maybe something took off or broken, I don't know. And the third one, third problem is here. I know I'm always talking about the seat today, but yeah, driver's seat heating. When we look at here, it looks like it works because the lights are working, but actually it doesn't work. With the passenger side I have no problem. Seat is heating, but on the driver's side, unfortunately not. And the last, but maybe the more important one, here, the radio. Now I will switch on the radio. When I switch on, you can see that it continuously seeking for a radio station. Actually, none of the buttons are working right now, but when I push button number 1, yeah, it stops wherever it likes. So this is the radio station. I can listen now, and that's all. None of the buttons are working, just volume adjustment working and switch on off working. Also the remote control from the steering wheel is not working. Yeah. So if you have any suggestions or any ideas or any links that you can drop me, you can drop in the comments. You are welcome. And so far, see you on another video.